Hi, I'm excited to invite all people to a workshop that Moon and I are offering, and it's around connecting to our wholeness, a transformational workshop. And as we step into 2024, to support you to connect to your wholeness, including all of your parts and any parts that may need some tending to support you to step into 2024 connected to your essence, your truer self, your wholeness. And we'll also be exploring some nervous system regulation practices to support you to step into the new year and start the new year in a way that feels good, in a way that is resourcing for your system. We'll also be lightly exploring some dreams and intentions for 2024 in community with other people, and we'd love to welcome you. So I invite you to put a hand on your heart, take a conscious breath with me today, send a big smile through your body, and find out more in the comments below to join our workshop. Sending love.